All right, I know. Another YouTube video of someone saying this video will find you at the right time just to ramble about nonsense because they have nothing prepared. But no, that is not what I'm doing here today. Today, I'm giving you the opportunity to follow along a journey that I want all of us to start. The journey of fixing your mental, a very important aspect of your life that a lot of people neglect, whether it's through drugs, alcohol, porn, whatever it is. My goal is to help you simply become better in your life, as I once did to myself. Now, to start it off, there's a couple things you should know. I will not speak on things that I haven't experienced myself. Two, this will be a series, and by the end of the series, you'll have all the information you need to simply better yourself, better your life. And I truly mean that, and I'm really excited to start this journey with all of you. I know a lot of people are in rough times in their life, and I simply just want to help you guys, lift you guys up throughout this journey, and really help you guys all understand it does get better. And it will always get better if you let it get better. That's where your mental takes big place in. And that's my goal, to help you guys fix your mental, your mentality on how you live your life, and just overall help you guys better yourself so you can give your own self the opportunity and chances that you deserve, and to really help you guys all come out a better human being across the board, because that's all what life is about, is simply getting better every single day. That being said, I'll see you guys in the first video where we start this journey, and hopefully I can help you guys as I've once helped myself better yourself through your mental. See you in the first video. Peace.